Hi again. Let us discuss the present interface arrangements in Blender. In the information window, beside help, you can find a Windows type icon. Click on this and you will find the default interface of Blender. Blender has awesome GUI options. So, let us explore this. This is the 3D view interface of Blender. Here is the animation interface of Blender. And this one is the default interface of Blender, which we will be using in the entire course. When we advance in Blender, we will be learning about the game logic interface. We also have the motion tracking interface, scripting, and also a UV editing interface. Now let's go back to the default interface. Apart from all these interfaces mentioned here, you can create your own interface. An interface which you will get used to and which you would like working with in Blender. To add your own interface, click on this plus button and there will be a default 0.001 created. You can rename this interface. Now you can make changes to the interface of your choice. Suppose you want 2 3D windows. You want to dismiss the outliner window or any other changes that you would like to make. Now let us get back to the default interface and it's done. Now if you want to go back to the interface you created, click on the same Windows button and select new interface. And here we come back to the interface that you created.